everybody. Chloe here. Not starting just yet. I'm kind of 1 minute early. Trying to get my second screen to work. It always seems like I'm having issues these days to do it. But I have my phone here. I can do that. And by second screen, I mean OBS has a specific screen that allows me to really see what's happening, and it just doesn't work all the time. And then randomly it'll start working like within 5 minutes into the stream. But that's all right. I will check the chat on my phone, I think. Let's see. I didn't get water. That's okay. Hopefully I won't talk for too long. Also, I have tea downstairs. Maybe I'll go get my water and tea and see if the chat works. Yeah, I'll go do that. So, give me a second. I'll be right back. And I'll get some water, maybe some tea, my vitamins, and I will be right back. Let me turn. And there it is. So I'm gonna start the stream early from now on, and just wait for this random pop-up. That's why I kind of want to get my tea anyways. Hey there, Batali. Glad to have you here. Good morning, good morning. Hey there, Kwame. GM. Sounds good. So this is the little thing that I usually wait for so I can see everyone's chats. The issue I had previously was sometimes there's live chat where I see everything, and there's top chat. Good morning, Claudia. So live chat needs to be on so I can see all like the near accounts and everything else. So near accounts should work. No worries, Claudia. So let me just, I'm gonna type it as the like streamer so that maybe when someone else puts .near, whatever blocking service is there will stop being as frustrating. I think we had one person last week who did not get the bounty, so sorry about that. Hopefully this week, make sure to hopefully be paying attention, and we'll definitely make sure to get you, hopefully, some marmaj at the end of the call. We'll be talking about Minsta and testnet a bit. We have some updates coming to mainnet this week for sure. God's willing, that's the plan. But that's the goal. So we have some updates coming to mainnet. The sprint, right? We're doing monthly-ish sprints for now. Sprint is a very loose term, to be honest, for what we're doing at the moment, but we're doing loosely monthly sprints, and we'll get to that near the end of the stream. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to Chloethedev Unfiltered. I kind of missed my coffee with Chloe in the morning intro, and it was like smoothie with Chloe in the morning, which wasn't as fun of an intro. But whoever's watched Community here with Troy and Abed, cheers to them. I need a co-host though at some point for that, so we can have a little co-host intro. But anyways, I have been harvesting. So this week, so basically what happened was I maxed out my tinkers. I got past 10, I got to 13, and I actually still have some more contracts to do. So I'm kind of going for this 10 here. I've been kind of pumping up my moon tokens, trying to increase my lab capacity. But, sorry, there's a 2x double moon reward going on right now. There's a launch week going on, so all week there's a bunch of new stuff going on. So I have not actually read through all the information. So if anyone has any questions about like what's going on with the Meteor Wallet launch week, honestly, I'll drop the link here. If people have any questions specifically about what's going on, please feel free to ask, and we can try and like go through it together. But there's just more drops, UX improvements, community rewards, yada yada. Rewards. If you like engaging with community, if you like on-chain rewards, feel free to check out what's happening. There's like giveaways and grand prizes and more stuff coming on. You can do it in Telegram, right? These days you can have Telegram apps, and a lot of them are being used for crypto. Minsta there was a Minsta test we did to put Minsta on Telegram. So if you guys think that would be useful, let us know. I think for the crypto community, it'd be pretty cool. Like you're already on Telegram. There's already a camera app in Telegram, so you could imagine just using that same camera app to a certain extent as a user, but you're able to then mint it and have a little bit of a near social on the back end, maybe managing some Telegram stuff as well. So interesting stuff there, and hopefully you guys are harvesting. GM Bianca, glad to have you watching and glad to have you chatting in the stream. Woo! So yeah, get on if you're using Meteor Wallet. If you're not using Meteor Wallet, I think I said I was going to try and get the Here wallet pulled up here. Remember there was an issue with I can show it on my phone. I think I might have done that in the past, where you can actually be on Telegram. So I'm on Telegram. I just kind of put I'm not even sure if that's able to be seen very well. Not really. There's quite a glare. But I'm on Telegram. You can kind of see my chat. But then I can hit claim, and then you'll see it load. And that's the Here wallet, right? And I'm doing it now just so that I know my storage is full, and so I can claim my storage, claim my hot, right? Boom, claim my 1.2 hot, and then 24 hours to refill. So daily you can do it there as well. So if you're into kind of getting into wallets or claiming tokens from wallets, usually these tokens are for like free gas fees. A lot of these wallets are now allowing you. So Here Wallet allows you to have a Solana account, a Base account, an Ethereum account, and then obviously your Near account, and a Binance Smart Chain account. So that's pretty cool, right? You can have one Here Wallet in Telegram that you already just use, and then from that you can integrate with Solana, Binance, and all these other blockchains without having to think about what these blockchains do or securing them. I am very excited for Meteor Wallet to have a similar offering. I just like the general user experience of Meteor Wallet personally, and so I'm excited to be able to, like, for example, use Base as a way to transfer stable coins, for example, through a Meteor Wallet on Near. That's kind of cool. But yeah, just generally harvesting and tinkering away. So I can recruit more tinkers. Technically, I have 1 expert contract and 3 basic contracts, but as you can see, I already have way too many interns. I need to upgrade my storage. It'll take me a little while. Okay. So this week, not much to talk about still for MetaPool. Next week, there should actually be a lot to talk about for MetaPool. Sorry, my studio disappeared on me for some reason. Don't know. I think I must have just closed it for some reason. So my bad there. Good morning, Kenneth. Glad to have you on the stream. My bad there. And let me go back to live chat. I don't know what that was all about. So yeah, not much to talk about this week for MetaPool. Next week there should be again, this is like alpha that we figured out from last week, so it's not really new alpha, so I'll kind of maybe whisper it. But next week there should be the launch of the mpDAO token on Ref Finance. So if you come here, actually I said, I'm not sure if I shared it, which chat I shared it in, but mpDAO is now listed. So if you come to app.ref.finance, you'll be able to type in mpDAO. I think a couple weeks ago we went on to the governance forums for Ref. We messaged them and said, hey, can you please list mpDAO? I'm not sure if that was the reason it happened, but mpDAO is listed. And so you can, I can take this link, I can share it in the chat so everyone else can find it very easily. I have no Near in my account. Let's fix that real quick. I have so much Black Dragon. That's not a lot of money. It's like, first of all, take off support ledger. And we're gonna do Gachapon because we need to, get some more free mpDAO tokens today. What's in my wallet? Why does it look like this? Let's pin this. Pin this. Okay, ST Near, perfect. ST Near to Near, just to make sure we have something in our wallets, so we can send out some marmaj later. So yeah, sometimes you'll be trading Near for stuff. See like, ooh, advanced rewards, fancy, the newbie challenge, extra milestones, the moon exchange. Ooh, there's an exchange, fancy, fancy. Convert legacy tokens into union contracts. Oh yeah, you can get relics now. You can like get relics to boost your farming and trade them as NFTs on different exchanges. Relics giveaway. Post a screenshot on X and tag Meteor Wallet, and you can win an relic. Very cool. So I'm gonna approve my swap. But yeah, sometimes you're swapping and you hit swap all with your Near tokens, right? So it happens to me often. If it happens to you, it's okay. You can ping me and say, hey Chloe, can I have 0.1 Near? I accidentally swapped all in my Near. But message a friend. That's the one time where it's like, okay, maybe you're asking someone for a tiny bit of Near and you can send me the transaction, send me the swap, like oops. So sometimes you'll be like this, and you'll want like, let's say ST Near, or you'll want let's call it mpDAO. Maybe you want mpDAO, so you can go to Metapool and you can stake. Oops. Yeah, vote. So you can vote, and you can lock up 100,000 mpDAO. Let's call it 100 mpDAO, so that you can lock up for 300 days, earn 46% per year. That's pretty good, right? So you're like, you know what? I want to buy 100 or more mpDAO. I think it's a pretty good deal. So you might go to ref. You might hit. You know what? Let's do all. Swap all. What'll happen is it won't swap everything. It'll still give you the very minimum your account needs to function. But what'll happen is if point 0.2 Near is 11.25 minus 11.05, so 0.2. If 0.2 Near is the minimum Near required for your account to just be alive and be around, then the next time you try and do a swap, or the next time you try and do a transfer, or the next time you do a function call of some kind, you won't have enough Near to pay gas or whatever else. So it happens sometimes. Don't worry about it. Ask a friend for like 0.1 Near or something like that. Good morning, Nedlar, GM, and you should be good to go. So yeah, I just topped my account up a little bit. I have a little bit of a little bit of Near in my account now, which is awesome. And so again, we talked also about next week. Love the chats going on in the chat. Next week, there should be a listing of mpDAO. Good morning, Michelina. Glad to have you here in the stream. And so right now, if you tried to spend, let's say, 8.19 Near on mpDAO, you get a little under 1,000. So this is how much you would get. You would impact the price by 53%. So you would just completely decimate the price of the token. So obviously, this is not very realistic. This is not something you probably want to be doing to be collecting your mpDAO tokens, but hopefully, again, not financial advice. This is not like news that I'm giving as an actual official listing. I've seen no listing announcements anywhere officially in terms of like liquidity, but hopefully we'll see some liquidity soon. Hopefully next week would be awesome. And so when that happens, we'll go through that live. We'll kind of collect some mpDAO tokens. We will vote with them. We'll lock them up for 300 days, and we will get involved with Grant Round 8. So Grant Round 8 for mpDAO should start next week as well. So I think it's all kind of around the same time. Grant Round 8 for August. New grants coming in. Near Antigua will have a grant coming out again for Round 8, and hopefully more successful. But that's all right. You go through these things, you learn, and that's kind of the whole point of them. So bit about ref, bit about mpDAO. Pikes Peak, honestly, I just like showing. I think it's fun to look at the different searches. So I'll share this link for those that might have not seen it before, but you can search any token that you think is interesting. Obviously, if you're into stablecoin trading, I think there was a stablecoin trading competition on Meteor Wallet recently. So maybe you want to check, who's trading the most, and so again, yeah. So on Hot Wallet, there's a lot of people trading stablecoins. Totally normal, but these are obviously bots, right? Trading the tiniest bits just to arbitrage somewhere else, probably. If you read, actually, this looks on 2 days ago. Doesn't look real. Anyways, though, let's go to marmaj, where it is a bit more fun and personal, at least for me. And so 1 minute ago, there you go. We had someone swap marmaj Black Dragon, right? So you can see a little bit of a loop. Or ST near to Black Dragon, but it went through marmaj to get to the Black Dragon, which is pretty cool, right? So you can see the marmaj token being relatively useful in some way, at least for a trade for this individual who was able to. And again, if you look at their actual account, you can look at their, history, and you could see for them, they were just swapping. Nothing about their account has marmaj listed anywhere. So for this user, they don't even know they were supported by marmaj in some way, right? They just wanted to swap. It wasn't even ST near. They wanted to swap W near to Black Dragon. That was their goal. And they sent 100 million Black Dragon to get involved with the eggs. That's awesome. I love that people are actually getting involved with these meme tokens, getting involved with games. Hopefully marmaj gaming can get there soon. And we will talk about marmaj gaming more on this stream once we get a little more into that. So we hope to be able to get the NFTs from the games listed on other exchanges. I think that's like the main goal at the moment, what's kind of holding us back. We'll be there hopefully this summer, by the end of the summer, and then we'll start adding that to the streams to make it more interesting. But what's cool is that we know this person has no clue what marmaj is potentially, but we also know that this person was supported by marmaj, and they're able to swap and get a little bit of a better rate because of marmaj, which is pretty cool. And then marmaj, the token and the pool, right? We've kind of went through this before on Ref. I'll just go through it quickly for those who might not fully understand what we're talking about here. But we have marmaj pools, we have marmaj Black Dragon pools, and so this pool fee is 0.819. The APR is 1.2%, not that crazy. But then again, $5 of volume today, which is not that much. But you can see over the year, this pool will earn 1% in Black Dragon and marmaj. So let's see, the most highest APR marmaj pool is marmaj XREF, and you have marmaj USDC, marmaj Burr, and and the like. So yeah, just a tool for people to use to look up their favorite tokens, see how they're most active. Again, Fox Boss is getting all. Oh, I love it, Mario, go Mario! So again, if you like Shih Tzu, if you support Shih Tzu, this is the main developer for the Shih Tzu token. They are running an arbitrage bot. They are trying to compete against Fox Boss, and so it's nice to see Mario's arbitrage bot also coming up on the trades. And again, USDC helping out with the ST and getting someone from. Oh, they must have had marmaj. That's cool. Oh wow, they put marmaj in their bot because it looks like at least they went from 2.7 basically 2.27 marmaj to 2.27. Okay, well I don't want to open the whole thing up, but basically. Oh no, they went from W near to W near. So you can see they went from 1.68 W near, and they were able to actually earn this much W near on the trade. And so if this is interesting to you, you can start looking up different trades, and then this was the part that touched marmaj. So there was a part before it, and because someone went to ST near, there's lots of ST near marmaj liquidity, that trade happened. Because there's marmaj USDC liquidity, that trade happened, and then obviously the person wanted to make sure they earned profit. And so their bot is looking at how can I go in any route to get more W near. And so they were able to do that through marmaj. Marmaj earns some rewards, or not rewards, fees on those trades. And that's kind of how the arbitrage bots win, the liquidity providers win, and it kind of that's how DeFi pretty much moves. DeltaTrade. So we're going to gotcha upon right away. In my opinion, The gachapon is the coolest thing on here. Looks like token prices have gone down. That's okay. We're gonna 2 chances left. I think we talked about this last time where you claim twice because it would be too much gas fees, too much storage to be able to put it all in one transaction. Not too much gas fees, too much storage to put it all in one transaction. It would take too much gas. Sorry, not too much storage. It would take too much gas to do all in one transaction. So there you go. We claim. So this will claim the first few tokens. There you go. We earned a bit more marmaj, some long, some fast. Cool. We're also earning some ref, and then we will claim again. So for those that have never heard of DeltaTrade, potentially DeltaTrade.ai. Whenever you're using a new platform, again, be secure, be safe. Maybe you make a new account. You can always make new accounts on Meteor Wallet. For those that really might not know, right? So you can always go to your homepage on Meteor Wallet, add a wallet, right? And you can always just create a new account. So you can call it DeFi testing Chloethedev, right? So you can make this account. You can then send 0.5 near to it. Then you can use that account to log into DeltaTrade, and you can start doing the gachapon there for a few weeks, earn your dollar or two, and then maybe then trade those tokens back or something like that. So you can have new accounts for every single application that you test out again. It's always better to be safe than sorry. There you go. Some more Black Dragon, some DGS, some NVIDIA. So this is where sometimes it's kind of fun to maybe, for people that are here, right? If you want to find an interesting use case for those tokens that you're using in the gachapon, in my opinion, this is an interesting flow that's somewhat. So again, this is the route you're looking at. It's going through the Blaze token, so Black Dragon to Blaze to Near to mpDAO, which I think it's funny. Blaze is the token that's being used, but it doesn't matter. You can create some token. You can add $100 of liquidity to it. You can put 2% fees on it, and you will probably earn some funding. Oh yay! Minsta just got the Meteor Wallet integration just now, so that is great news. Thank you to the devs. You guys are awesome, working hard all the time. But this is a cool use case, right? You can swap Black Dragon to mpDAO, right? This is only Black Dragon I got from gachapon, right? This is last week's, or maybe 3 weeks gachapon, maybe. So there you go. We can approve the wonderful transaction. And then we can come straight back to mpDAO. Oh no, darn it, we're gonna have to use, is it 1 or 2 you need? Lock your mpDAO now. Oh yeah, they want 2. So we could, let's keep taking our gachapon stuff and see if we can actually stack up enough to make the trade. Ooh, that's not gonna help. What about Lonk? Oh, look at that! Thank you, Lonky. Okay, Lonk giving out some good rewards in the gachapon, apparently. I think that was all from gachapon. I'm not even 100% sure, but I would not buy Lonk personally, so it was from somewhere. Tokens that I've just, few cents of tokens here and there. But now that we have these mpDAO tokens, you could then, my 3.1 tokens, lock them up. Okay, I have 16 voting power. It's not. I'll earn 0.0089 ST near a month, 6 cents. But hey, why not? This is all just free. I'm engaging with DeFi, clicking buttons, maybe paying gas fees. So you got to see how much gas are you paying versus how much. But the gas fees on Near are pretty low. You can kind of have fun, engage in things like this. So in 4 days, we'll earn a bit of ST Near, and we'll be able to use the ST Near. So from next week on, basically all the ST Near here will be used to buy mpDAO, and the mpDAO will go back in for 300 days, and then we'll keep getting locked up. We're just going to keep cycling that for quite a bit. And so there you go. I have 15 voting power. I thought it was going to be 16, but that's. Anyways, I thought it was 16, but maybe it's 15.7, and it just can't show a decimal. And then, of course, we want to make sure we we get payment for this 15 voting power. So we can then find a validator, for example. I always just put a near week. It's just simple. I know they're doing work to support the near ecosystem. I know they're doing something non-technical that kind of can engage with everybody. It's taking quite a while to load. Okay, yeah, it's saying 16 here too. That's a bit weird. But we're going to vote for them. Use max. Okay, yeah, 16.6, and the UI can't show 16, and sometimes it rounds up to 60. That's interesting. They probably need to fix that a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to vote for them, and I like how this is like it is an investment, of course, but your interactions, weekly or monthly, with the investment aren't financial, arguably, right? Even voting for validators, it isn't purely financial for me. It's like I'm supporting the news dissemination within the near ecosystem, or mostly grants, right? It is still funding going out, but I'm supporting education. You're able to support community building. You're able to support building initiatives, like development initiatives. So again, if you think it's interesting, you can come read through these. I'll kind of drop the link. It might be hard to find for some, and you can kind of read through some of the grants. I love this. This one is Ernest. So I'll just shout out Ernest for being first place in the grant round. I think this, Near Africa, yeah. So great job, Near Africa, getting those votes in. And yeah, so this is a nice, simple proposal, a nice document to go with it, right? A nice campaign document to show what happened and what they're going to do, how much it costs, hackathon sponsorship, pre-hackathon workshop, marketing materials, travel stipend, accommodation, past events they've done. Nothing too crazy, nothing too long. 3 pages, right? Awesome. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by Minsta dev messages. Don't mind me. Sorry, I keep like putting the studio in the background. Actually, I think that's what's closing it. I have I have 3 studios open, so let's not do that. I'm gonna start making myself lag. Okay, we're good. So yeah, 3 pages, right? Not a big deal. If you are someone who is engaged in a project like this, maybe you're working on a community group in blockchain, you have a blockchain club at your university, you can maybe put together a proposal. The largest thing, though, is getting community to vote for you. GM, Raheru, glad to have you on the call. And so as you can see, the biggest thing is, can you get the votes required to pass your proposal? And so, understanding how maybe if you can get thousands of your friends to all get on DeltaTrade and get Gachapon tokens, and they could all trade on Ref and get 10 mpDAO tokens a month, maybe in 6 months, you guys can all go together and put a grant together in, and get some grant funding for your activities. So technically, it is possible. Obviously, all these groups are just some of these obviously are students, and some of these are kind of just projects in the ecosystem. So things to look into. The project board for Minsta, fun stuff, right? We're going from actual applications, now moving into Minsta a little bit. So for those that might be sleeping here, it's totally fine. Maybe you start dropping your near accounts, so we can start looking into, again, we are using mainnet, so we're looking at so Netbar, awesome, 49 mints, Leray.near, 44, wow, moving way up the rankings. Glad to have you kind of engaging with the community. Please feel free to drop your near account, Kings of Kings pages. Obviously, so as admin, again, we can test that again today. So I should be able to remove the team from here. So Chloe.bus.near. I love that. This is the old account names they had. I think I have one more testing one. Yeah, Chloe-test. And normally I would reset those, and still nothing. So I'm going to say, I won't say anything to the devs about that yet. because we don't have automatic rewards. Again, eventually we'll have automatic rewards going out. For now, I can just look at things and be like, okay, well, are people using the platform more than, I think we're supposed to be at, yeah, more than this. Are you using the account more than at least 5 times? Awesome. So Precious Princess, Cloethedev.near, or .mintbus.near, Bianca.mintbus.near, Hannah17.near, Tortum.near, Venomity.mintbase.near. Wow, some of them are mint-based, some of them, the old ones are mint-bus, I guess. Love it. So if you're an OG, you've got mint-bus. The new ones are mint-base. What's the outline so far? Torben.near, yeah. Kmens.near, Ken-Web3.near, Batalis.near, Mishelena.near, King of Kings Pages.near. All of you can feel free to drop your near account in the chat. Oh no, it went to top chat again. Anyways, I didn't miss anything, so we're good. And I will continue to go through the project board, but again, I don't want to miss anybody, so you can drop your near account now, and I'll keep going through the project board. So there's been, I won't go through everything again. I try my best to put the newest information at the top of the page, or on the top of each column. So if you're ever coming, again, I'll drop this link into, thank you, Ahedu, King of Kings Pages.near, and I'll make sure to send that shortly. Not yet, I'll do it live on the screen, you'll be able to see it, but I'll do it all at once. So I try and do my best to keep the new information at the top, or at least information that is highest priority at the top. So we want a progressive web app installed for users. Michelena.near, I see yours. Ken-Web3.near, I see yours. There you go. Love it. 13 posts over the week. New on the charts. New on the charts. So yeah, I'll start sending those out shortly. So progressive web app is if you actually go to pikespeak.ai or Ref Finance, I think, or if you go to Meteor Wallet, actually, the Meteor Wallet one doesn't work very well, so I wouldn't suggest using Meteor Wallet progressive web app on your phone. But if you go to pikespeak.ai on your phone, on your Android device, usually a bar will pop up. Actually, maybe I can do it now. Let's see. Let's see if it pops up. Pikespeak.ai. Let's see if we can get it first try. I already have the app installed, so it might not come up for me. And if it doesn't come up on its own, it's not coming up for me, but you can go to like your settings on your mobile device. You can say, oh yes, I already have it installed. So it's not, but okay, you probably can't even see it on here. But yeah, you can't see it on there. There's a place to play Open React app, or you can download the app. But basically, you can have apps that run just as like the browser on your phone. And so we are planning to have that for Minsta, so that instead of always having to go to your browser and type in minsta.org or whatever else, you are able to just directly click the app on your phone. We can put an icon there, the actual like the black like square with a little Minsta, share your moments. You click that, and yes, so I see Cloethedev.near, Lorray.near, Nether7.near, and Metalis.near. Thank you all for sharing. And so with a progressive web app, you'd be able to have like that icon on your phone for Android, iOS, and you'd be able to kind of manage all of that through the app. Auto-selected tags, so when you're tagging, maybe some of you like Nedbar, for example, you do a lot of the similar types of pictures on Minsta where you're doing the math teacher series. Well, instead of having to type out the tag every time, _inc, and type out the tag, actually we can find one so it's easier for everyone to see. I love how full the profile is getting, or the page is getting. Let's see where one of the, there you go. So you have a math teacher one. So you have _inc as one of the tags, right? Well, maybe there's also a tag called, my math teacher, right? Or, MMT, episode 15, right? Or MMT might be the tag. So, so Nedbar, maybe instead of having to type out MMT every single time, you can say, okay, well, you can just click a button saying, well, I want MMT to be added to this image. So not a big deal for short tags like MMT, but you can imagine if you have two tags you always add or three tags you always add, it'll be kind of a smoother UX to be able to do that. Additional filtering, royalties for your mint. So if someone collects your mint, what are the royalties like on that NFT, and the like. So feel free to go through it on your own. I'm not going to go through all of it. So this is what the team's actually working on. So I'll go through a bit more of this because I don't actually manage this page as much. So this is all me usually on the product backlog. The sprint backlog is shared between like me as the product owner or product manager and the developers. And so sometimes I sneak things onto this page, but I try and leave it to the developers to share what they think they can do in the given month, and we kind of have a little bit of tug of war there, which is good. So contract for giveaway details. So eventually, when we have the leaderboard, there'll be a giveaway so that you can search. Okay, I want to give away 8.19 tokens. Let's say I want to give away Near or marmaj, and I want to give it away on Monday at 11 a.m. Right? And so what that would do is I would do my stream at, let's say, 10 a.m. and anyone who was in the leaderboard with the given rules by 11 a.m. the next week would get the rewards. So we would do the stream, we'd keep talking, and then in 25 minutes there would be an automatic distribution to anyone. Let's say I put the rules that would be anyone above 4 mints at the time would get the rewards. So automatically, let's say there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people, because we would remove Chloe.mint-bus.near. 13 people would share the 8.19 Near or marmaj, whatever it is, at the time period, which would be able to be distributed. So that's the plan for the giveaway details. Relatively straightforward, and the idea is someone else can use a similar platform, right? You can have a party, a giveaway, whatever else you want, where at the end of the event, people that came and engaged and had fun will all be able to kind of be distributed some kind of reward for their engagement throughout the period. Because you could imagine you could have pretty complex specifications for those rewards based on who has the most likes, who has the most collects, stuff like that. So a blog. So in my opinion, there needs to be a blog here. There needs to be at least how to use this feature, how to fork this on your own and upgrade the AI tools. How to Nebbar, how to create the AI images and add those stories to Minsta. Or there's just so many how-to guides that need to be on some sort of blog. And in my opinion, it'd be an awesome way to get people engaged in Web3. So let's say someone has little to no Near in their account. They're brand new to Web3. They're able to maybe write a blog for Minsta, take some pictures, share, and start engaging in their Web3 journey. So that's being worked on currently. Allow users to collect posts as NFTs, super important. And it needs to be a free claim, a gasless claim. And so we're using Mintbase or Bita for that as well. Social sharing metadata, just when you share minsta.org somewhere, the icon doesn't come up, so stuff like that. I think I actually have a picture for this one. No, I don't. Oh yeah, I do. So if you share, it'll show the title of the website. It'll show the description of the website, but no image for the website. And so just making sure that all the metadata is there. AI can scrape it, whatever else. Implement social.near integration. So this is actually coming tomorrow. So sadly, we won't be able to show. So on testnet tomorrow, we should be able to see going to your profile and seeing. Okay, here we go. So I don't know your blocks. So we are live with it. Testnet. We should be able to copy my profile name. Where is it? No, where's the copy of the the copy of the profile name's only on the leaderboard. Okay. You can't copy. That's a, okay, so I'm gonna print screen. I don't think I put this. This is a pretty big deal. You should be able to copy your profile name. I thought it used to be there, but it must have got removed or whatever. I'm just gonna, so this is where sometimes I just add something to the sprint backlog because it's a pretty big deal and it's a very small fix and it's in this sprint. So this is the tug of war between product owner and developers. Copy account name from profile page. Right, and then I'll leave it, so for example, I'll leave it at the bottom so that I'm not annoying the developers. If they don't get to it or they get to it the last thing, that's fine. And then I will just paste the image so they can see that it's empty currently. And you know, to be honest, that could be a bit nicer as well. Oh wow! Now it shows the profile account ID. Ooh, this is so cute. I love this. So now it's showing the actual account ID for the profile. So this is a big fix. I think it used to show it, but they removed. Anyways, let's edit. Let's add an example link, and let's edit the title because I spelled it wrong. There you go. And so let's, because now it's kind of a bit annoying to copy the account name, but I can get it from there. Just trying to see if there's any near in the account. I don't think there is. There is 0 near in the account. Oh, okay. Let's see. Is it easy to go to testnet on here? I've never tried to use, oh, here you go. Testnet. Chloethedev. Oh, let's just do marmaj Mondays. Okay. Stairs. I think that's it. Cool. Create wallet. So they used to come with 200 near. Kwame, when will we be able to upload videos? So before videos, we're going to have GIFs. So I don't, it's on the product board somewhere. Oh, so you can upload GIFs. Oh, okay. Actually, you're right. Let me make sure we add the actual item to the product backlog. Post GIFs live from camera. And I'm going to put that high up on the, actually let's close this. Let's put that high up on the priority list. So maybe next month we might get the posting GIFs. So basically, very good question, Kwame. Thank you very much. The issue is with videos that they're quite large in storage, I guess. And so we're doing free mints, and so the storage is paid for by like Bita, by Mintbase, I guess. And so you can imagine people abusing the ability to post videos. If the user is going to pay for their own mint, then of course you should be able to post videos. And so what's going to happen is we've already noticed the AI analysis of videos or pictures not going very well all the time. That's because the tier that's being paid for is kind of maxing out with all the users. So awesome. Thank you all for testing. And so we're going to have to basically switch the flow to basically, if you're a free user, you will have no AI. You can just mint for free, share your moments, share GIFs, upload. Hopefully that's useful. Share with, and basically certain features are going to cost basically near, right? So certain things will be gas fees. So for example, when let's finish my first flow. What? My balance is 0. Okay. Create testnet. What is going on with these? Oops. Near docs. No, it's near CLI. I just forget the. There you go. Control F. Create. Near create account. There you go. And then, oops. Do I have to put options? Okay. New account ID. ID, marmaj, dash Mondays dash test dot testnet. Hopefully we're on testnet. Dash dash use faucet. Oops. Dot testnet dash dash use faucet. Darn it! Not enough non-option arguments. Got 0. Okay, so it needs network ID. Ugh, this is where AI is useful because I'm tired. We'll try it once quickly. Okay. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Use faucet, master account. Why do I need the master account? I don't have a master. Sorry, it's just there you go. Perfect. That should work. But then it's still saying I don't have. Let's see. Okay, let's see how much near it puts in the new accounts. Sorry. 10 near. Okay, good enough. I forget how to do that too. Sorry. Now the CLI command to send 8.19 near to. Are we doing? What are we sending it to? Oh, we're sending it to Chloethedev marmaj Mondays. There you go. Copy here. Not neat. Near. Oh my gosh. Sorry, GPT is being a little bit annoying at the moment. Not understanding that. Obviously, that's there. Okay. Perfect. And if you're not on testnet, please don't just take code from, from GPT and just throw it into AI. I'm doing this arguably because I'm on testnet, not a big deal. But again, if you're on mainnet, you want to check all the functions before you use them. Sorry, and for those that, sorry, I know you guys, can't see this. I forgot, I didn't realize that at the beginning. So this is kind of the terminal I've been using. So near create account. I was doing some bugs at first, but then I eventually did it properly. So here was near create account, marmaj Mondays -test.testnet, use faucet, network ID, testnet, and that was the 21.8, not 1.9, but 9.1, cute. But that was the code I used from here, put it in the terminal, and I got the account was created. So storing credentials for this, it stores it in my computer. Near credentials testnet marmaj Mondays -test.testnet.json. So this is the file. This is the JSON file with the private key and all the information for the account I just created. So I was using the near CLI to create an account. You don't need to fund an account on testnet. There's a faucet for that. It only gives you 10 near now. It used to give you like 100 or more, 200 near, 1,000 near back in the good old days. But you can always get free testnet near like that just by near create account I'll put this into the chat for those that might want to one day just copy it. So if you want to put that into near CLI into your computer, it'll basically use near, means you're using near CLI. Create account is the function in the near CLI, create account. The account name, so you can put whatever you want. So you can put I like eggs, .testnet. -- use faucet means I'm not going to fund it on my own. You fund it for me with 10 test near. And then -- network -testnet means we're using the testnet network, or network ID testnet means use the test network. So now when we look at this account, marmaj Mondays -test. Oops, I didn't actually send it yet, apparently. Yes, so here now we're going to actually send. So we're going to send so near, we're using near CLI. Send is what we're doing, the function. We're going to send from marmaj Mondays -test.testnet to Chloethedev marmaj Mondays.testnet. The amount is going to be 8.19, and we're going to use testnet. Okay, so there is the function. You can always click this, or I can just copy the link, and it'll open up the near blocks transaction showing us what we did. Testnet only, a few seconds ago, this was a transfer. Simple enough. The reason we did this is so that now this is one of those functions, one of those features of Minsta you will need near tokens for. So if anyone here has a testnet account, they want to test out this, so you can do what I did, right? You can use the near CLI to actually, I should there you go. I should share near CLI documentation with you all, because you can pretty much use GPT-4, the free version, and you can basically say, give it this link and say, hey, here's the near documentation. Please make sure to check it. How do I create a testnet account using the faucet without a master account? Boom, copy paste, put it into your terminal. Okay, how do I take 9 near from that account and send it to my current account I'm using for Minsta, right? So that was mine. Boom, done, transfer sent. Now, what's my name? Chloethedev testing Minsta. Perfect. Profile picture. Oh gosh. I'll do more stuff later, but let's take a picture of you all you fancy people. Actually, this will be my background image. My profile picture will be, I don't know, what's a good one? Maybe just Minsta? Like a Minsta page? Like a Minsta homepage? Scroll down. I want, ooh, cute. Can you see the number? I want them to load more images on the top. We also like a banner here with some stats or something. We'll get there. We'll get there. So let's print screen. Oops. After it loads, print screen. And sure, this can be my profile image. So we're going to come back here. We're going to choose a profile picture, which is the first one. We're going to choose a background image, which is the second one. About us. We are testing Minsta for the betterment of the platform. I guess, yeah, test out some things. Okay. Make sure that emojis work in the description, because they work on your social. Tags. Ooh, that's cute. Some of them are saved from here. Oh, they're the same. Tags. marmaj, separated by comma maybe. Okay, yeah, marmaj, Chloethedev. What else? Minsta. even though it's on the platform. Twitter. So all this information is going to be saved to Near Social for you. So if you already have Near Social information, it should populate. If you don't have any, you're going to set it. And so because we're on testnet, I don't have any, and so I'm setting it. My Twitter page, this/Chloethedev. GitHub, I do loss 819. Telegram, Chloe the Dev. Website, let's use marmaj.org. And save. Oops, that definitely didn't work. That definitely was broken. Okay, so we're going to do this next week. I'm assuming this hasn't been deployed yet, considering I was unable to save any of it, sadly. So this is supposed to take the information, transaction on your wallet, and send it through. So I will quickly go through sending out the marmaj tokens. And next week we should have a lot more to show in terms of Minsta. But I'm going to start hiding some of your all stuff. What's this one? The red sky above the land. Oh my gosh, is this your sky right now? Jeez. That's wild. That's wild. That's the sky? This is why we need videos. I want to see that as a video. I want to see something like, it's wild. Anyways, but yeah, I gotta hide some of my random stuff that I post. Okay, let's close testnet. Let's close Near Africa. Let's go to the leaderboard and let's send out some tokens. So sadly, I can't copy and paste directly from here yet. That's all right. I will go to the top. I think the first, and so again, I'm going to read out all the Near accounts quickly first. So please let me know if anyone's missed, and then I'll go send the tokens out. If you're missed, again, let me know. And then if your Near account isn't sent by like 11 a.m. on the stream or in Telegram, sorry, next week. So I see King of Kings pages, Michelena.near, Ken-Web3.near, Cloudacopy.near, Laray.near, Nedar7.near, Batalis.near, and those are all the accounts I see. So those are the accounts I'm going to send marmaj tokens to in order. I'm going to try and type them all out this time. So we're going to go to mainnet. We're going to go to, I was like, what? There's only 6 cents. Anyways, we're going to click marmaj, and we are going to not send 8.19 to anybody. King of Kings pages.near. Can I add you to my address book? No, see, it just tells me who I've done before. It doesn't actually like, so obviously I can select King of Kings pages from here. But that's, anyways, continue. There you go, using up your marmaj, love to see it. Next one, Michelena.near. Finish. Let's see if that would actually work. marmaj, address book, Michelena.near, simple enough, 0.819. Oh, that's pretty easy. Cool. There you go, 3.276. Have a little more while you're at it. Ken-Web3.near. I think I also sent some last week to you, Ken. Let's see. Or is this a new one? Is this a new one? Is this a new send? It's wild. Okay, 2019. Ken-Web3.near. Awesome. Nice! Zero marmaj. Welcome, Ken. Awesome. Congrats on your first marmaj. Have fun. Enjoy. Swap away. Hopefully soon we'll be able to use marmaj tokens to purchase like lock boxes for marmaj gaming. That is like the goal. It's just been a while to get the gaming dev stuff sorted. But soon. Actually, the same team that's been helping us with Minsta is going to be helping us round out the marmaj gaming stuff. And that'll help us integrate marmaj into marmaj gaming a bit more, which should be fun. I'm excited for that. CladaCopy.nia. Glad to have you out, Claudia, and thank you for all the support. Claudia.819. Ether Milan's happening again this year, and obviously thinking about all the fancy fun times out there as it's happening. But the good thing is I probably won't be there in person. Probably I will be going to Italy a few weeks before it, so I might try and stay in Italy and just be there for the event and just like run Minsta live. But either way, Minsta should be at the event. So next week, once all the near social stuff is in on mainnet, once the platform is more stable, once we kind of get it to where you can hopefully use near tokens to pay for the AI generation. So we're gonna pay for it for you guys as users, and you'll just pay a bit more gas, like a bit more like fees in near tokens for your mint if you use AI. So if you have near in your account, you won't notice that much. If it's very inexpensive. If you don't have any near in your account, obviously that's going to be prohibitive. Look at the history so I know who I just sent to. I think it was Claudia. I think we're at Lorraine now. So let's click marmaj, address book, Lorraine, 0.819. Continue. There you go. Send, enjoy, have fun. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming out. And yeah, thanks for engaging on Minsta, honestly. You're helping us really push the boundaries of what we're doing. And so, for example, even helping us push the AI limit helps us to realize, okay, you know what, we need to make sure people, like in my opinion at least, the AI analysis feature needs to be available. And so maybe, you know, the first 100 people each week or each month get free AI posts, or maybe it's you can get free credits for the free posts and everyone else pays. But either way, we are going to also like apply for some grants and get some ways to play with AI in an even more fun way. But Nedlar7, here we go, 0.819. But yeah, we do have a lot to work on when it comes to enhancing the platform, and we appreciate everyone coming out and supporting and engaging. The more posts you make, so with uploads, uploading GIFs, obviously, you know, do you have feedback about the camera? I have lots of feedback about the camera. So if there's camera features that you expect to have when you're taking a picture and you don't see those camera features there, let us know. Just be like, hey, I took this picture, but I couldn't zoom in, so I had to walk up to the to the subject of the picture. Batales.nia, right? So that's an example. 0.819. It's not showing the value actually. That's not. Gotta talk to. We're getting a chat made between Meteor Wallet team and us, so there's a few things to discuss. But Meteor Wallet manages things very well out of like all the wallets in my opinion on Near. So no real issue there in my opinion. There you go. We have, and that's everyone. Okay. You're very welcome, Michelina. Nedlar, can't wait. Yes, we're gonna have more features coming soon. Yeah, Claudia, it was so much fun in Italy. I think I need to go to Brazil next time or something though. Like I need to go to South America and visit people, and you can show me a good time. And yeah, thanks everyone for participating. So that is about it from me. Again, for next week, we hope to have the ability to at least copy and paste the names from here. But again, I honestly didn't really need it. I was able to go to my history and pretty much copy from my address book, which is really cool. And again, in my address book, I can see all your near social profiles. So thank you for that. That was really helpful. Not thank you, but like that was part of the homework. One of the first steps was set your near social profile so that we can actually know who we are. On Minsta, eventually that same profile will be more visible here. And for those that have not set their profile, you'll be able to set, see, it's here. Okay, so yeah, you can copy it here. Let me change this. It is a bug. It is a testnet bug. Edit. working on mainnet, but broke on testnet. See? And you guys help me see these things because I stream and I share and I notice these things are broken. So on mainnet, you can find it. But you'll be able to, as we saw on testnet, this is now a testnet profile. Oh, I'm not even logged in. Oh, because, okay, so the reason I got kicked out, this is the update that happened while we were streaming. Now, when you come here, if you log in with your Mint-based wallet like always, no worries, you can still do it. We're not trying to confuse you. Please do what you've already been doing. It's okay. But as you migrate, a lot of you, like I know Nedlar was asking, you've already migrated. That's awesome. You can go to the Bita wallet, right? And I'm already logged in, which is awesome. My Bita wallet, very straightforward, already logged in. I can go to my profile. For some reason, again, I can't see my account name. I think it's been covered by this, the edit button. And then again, I can edit my profile. But this is the exact same near social information that you have on here when you try and send to people in your address book. So stuff like that. Any other features that you guys are missing, let us know. Wait, we are on mainnet right now. Yes, we are. And yeah, a bit sad not to have, so it seems like we don't have the, oh, that was actually me. I put the description in. And okay, now we're loading properly. Eye test. Ooh, oh wait, Venomity, you won. Awesome. Congrats. Great job. Very cool. Let's see. The box. See, so it's pretty cool. Put title in, but it would be awesome to be able to put your own title in and then have the AI tool use your title and the image to then come up with a pretty cool description. And maybe even like you can put a button saying, you know, give me some tags as well. And then you can put your own, maybe you put your one architecture tag and then it will fill out the next 3 tags for you. So that's kind of the direction we're going in. And then being able to put your royalties, saying, you know, I want 10% royalties on the NFT. I took this picture, hopefully. Again, if you're uploading, we're going to have like a thing saying, you know, I own this content. If you don't, it'll come down. If it's copyright, people can, right now you can only click share and stuff, but eventually you'll be able to put like, take down, copyright request, whatever. So you'll say, I own this image, it's yours, you own royalties to it. You can say, hey, I want 0.1 near every time someone collects it. And basically what will happen is you'll be able to put like a dollar price probably, and it'll be like a variable amount. So let's say it's 10 cents every time someone collects. Basically someone will have a collect button, they'll click collect, it'll give them an option how they want to transfer the funds, whether it's near, marmaj, Black Dragon, it'll be from them. Obviously you could have the option of going through ref finance and swapping to get your 10 cents in whatever tokens you want as a user. So there's ways to kind of have high gas fee options of, okay, I have marmaj, you want near, you want 10 cents worth. Okay, well, I'll send 10 cents of marmaj to ref, it'll swap to near and go to your account. And there could be credit card options, right? We do have a Stripe integration with Mint-based or Bita that allows for someone to pay 10 cents to collect with their credit card, and all that works as well. So that'll all be engaged. You can also do collect for free, obviously. So a lot of you might be like, you know what? Yeah, maybe I can sell it later, but my royalties are on there. So I just want people to collect my work, my moments, whether it's so photography, whatever else. Hopefully all these moments will be here. So that is the direction we're hopefully going in. Some of the features that are already like available on Mint-based that we just need to add buttons for is minting more. So there should be a button here if you own this to just mint more of them. It'll probably be mostly on the profile page or like on the actual NFT. So this is my profile, this is my NFT, and so on this there should be options here, right? So mint more, burn, like actually destroy the moment. You should be able to transfer. So I own this right now. I should be able to transfer this to someone else. And then obviously I wouldn't own it anymore, but I can then mint more. And then those are the main kind of features that they already exist on Mint-based. Or list for sale, as well. You should be able to take this and list it for sale with different features. So I can list one for sale for 10 near, list one for sale for $20 in fiat, list one for sale in USDC, and that should all be available from the Minsta UI, and hopefully that'll kind of, there's a lot of white space here to hopefully get drop down menus and stuff like that. So again, that's all for me. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming on the stream. Until next week, God's willing. And I'm very excited next week to have a lot more of these kind of social features coming together, liking posts, commenting on posts. I mean, every post should have comments, right? I mean, walk in the park, cool, but I should be able to then comment on this post and communicate back and forth with people. So all this stuff is coming next month, a lot more into the social stuff. And thank you for testing. So see you all next week, God's willing, and have a great rest of your day. Bye, everyone. Oh, there's one thing. Okay, so the stream is over. There's one thing I do have to do still that I forgot to do on the stream that I will do now, just for fun. So if you want to stick around, feel free. The stream, like nothing official, I'll do. But once a month, I do refill the rewards for the marmaj farm on Ref. So we go to our farms. We see marmaj near 7% APY, not the highest in the world, but hey, it exists. 18 near a week. And so I get sent a script from Ref, the Ref team every month. And this script shows you how to deposit rewards to your farm. Note that to let Ref team know if you want to adjust the daily amount. So see you, Clara, and see you, Bianca. Glad for coming on the stream. Have a great rest of your day. And so pretty much anyone can actually send tokens to the farm. So it's cool, but I just copy and paste the information, and all I change is your account.near to put in my account. So all I'm really going to do here is copy and paste the code, put it here. I am going to change your account.near to Chloethedev.near. Normally, do I have keys for Chloethedev.near on this account? I might not, but I'll try it first. So normally I send from Chloe.near and nearblocks.io, Chloe.near. And so Chloe.near might have enough marmaj. Cheerio, love it. Yeah, so Chloe.near does not have enough marmaj. I could obviously transfer marmaj from Chloethedev to Chloe, which I might have to do, but I kind of want to just test it out and see. So we're here. We're going to send it. There you go. We're on mainnet. We're using the marmaj token. We're using Chloethedev.near, and we are sending. Copy, paste, and I think it's going to say we don't have credentials for Chloethedev.near. Yeah, see, you are trying to use Chloethedev.near, but you do not have credentials locally for Chloethedev.near. That's fine. I don't want to put my credentials locally, actually, I have realized, and so I will just transfer. Eventually, I might. I kind of wanted to do this live, but I think it's a bit safer to just take some marmaj. I think 81.9 should be enough. Chloe.near. What? 3 marmaj? Oh, 3. Sorry. $14 worth. Yeah. We're going to transfer. And then we can now call this function. So I can just go like that. Go back all the way up. Oops. Actually, I can't do that. I need to actually change it on Telegram. Edit. Instead of Chloethedev, we're just going to use Chloe. We're going to copy. We're going to paste. And now it'll work. So it'll say, hey, we're scheduling a call on this contract, the marmaj token, whatever, and we're going to send 84 marmaj tokens to the farm, right? It might sound confusing, right? But if you read this slowly, it's not that bad. This is what I put in. It's doing what it said it was going to do. This is just, again, maybe the node that it hit, giving a warning response from the API, I guess. See more, a warning from node, I guess. This is a receipt from the transaction. This is a readable log of what happened. This is like an event log for the transfer. So the transfer of 84 marmaj from Chloe to this. This is just the decimals, extra decimals. So it's 84, but there's extra decimals there. Again, another receipt, another log. Again, it's the event log for ref farming, whatever. There's a deposit. The caller ID is me. The farm ID is, this is the pool. The pool number is 553. And the type is normal. So normal pools are 0. Stable pools, I think, is 1. And maybe limit order stuff might be different. Deposit amount, it's here again. Total amount is here. And yeah, so hopefully relatively straightforward. And now I've sent the funds for the farm. So now I can go back and say, hey, I'm done, thank you, and the farm will live another day. So stream is over. Just wanted to kind of show that's how I did it. And I had to do it today anyway, so it was good to kind of make sure I got it done. I'm just pinging them so that they know it's done as well, or else I'll forget. Oh, Kwame, haha, see, thank you, Kwame. Seems like I missed... It isn't in the chat. So Kwame, feel free to type out your... Did you put your Near account in, Kwame, in the chat? Because I don't see it. I see King of Kings pages, Michelena, Ken-Web3. Actually, haha, we're gonna look at on screen so I can show my proof. So there's hello Battalion Chloe, GM everyone. Then we have the first Near account, King of Kings pages, Michelena, Ken-Web3, cloudacopy.near, Larray.near, Nedar7.near, Battalions.near. Then we have, we're talking about some stories. Nedar said, all right. You asked a wonderful question about uploading videos. Have some thank yous, some hearts, love it, some goodbyes, and that's it. So I know you're here, obviously you're chatting, so I can send you the tokens. It's not a big deal. So yeah, I can obviously send it, but it isn't in the chat. So if you didn't send it in the chat here, please send it just so we can like keep things. Yeah, share it with spaces. Maybe it's getting blocked on your side. I will send it either way for today. Don't worry. But for next week, potentially, if it's not coming up in the chat for you, I don't want to miss anyone. So yeah, I know Clara does it with spaces. It always works like that. That could be a good idea. So I will get the last one sent out. And thank you for getting to me before I was very close to getting off the stream. So yes, Caymans. 8.819, not 8.19. I'm gonna make that mistake. Ooh, 8 point. See, did I make that mistake last week, or you just loaded up? I can't even tell. I have no clue. I'm gonna make the mistake with somebody at some point in time. Let's see. Let's see the history. I don't think I've made that mistake yet. Let's see. No, see, we're good. I mean, this is all moon. See, I've been harvesting. See, doing my moon stuff. This is last week. Hey. You can't go back anymore? Oh my gosh. Meteor Wallet. You gotta do better than that. What? That's crazy. Okay. Yeah. So Cayman's 0.8. 10 weeks of it though. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Thank you everyone for coming out. I'm just gonna make sure I can see the chat one last time before we go. But yeah, thank you everyone for coming out. It's been fun. have fun tinkering, have fun gachaponing, harvest away. And you're very welcome, Kwame. Thanks for getting to me. So have a good day, everyone, and chat soon. Bye.